Hello, guys. So over the past year or 2 years, we've seen the increase in the prices of laptops, and what people have done is they have opted to purchase refurbished laptops. So when you go to a shop and you want to purchase the refurbished laptop, the usually things that you check, you know that you need this capacity of RAM, you know that you need this capacity of hard disk, and the type of operating system, and so on. So those are quite easy things that you can check. You just need to go to your start or the search bar down here, and what you need to do is just type about PC, and it will bring you to this window where you have all the details. These are things that you can counter check quite easily. But again, we have sellers who are able to manipulate these things, so I'll talk about this in the next video. But for today, I want to talk about the battery, how to check the battery health. So if you check through this window, once you open it, you'll notice that there is nowhere they have talked about the power or the battery. They have not talked the capacity, the health, and all that. So you can see it's not there. So what I want us to do is I want to show you how you can confirm this before you pay for that machine of yours, and you go home that you discover after a week or so you have to keep it plugged in that you are able to use. So what I want you to do is, or what you're going to do is, we just need to go to start here, and I want us to find a command prompt, and we run it as an administrator. So confirm that. And what I'm going to do here, there is this prompt that we are going to use, or there is this prompt that you're going to use, and it is power cfg space, then forward slash as that, then battery but yeah, where is my spelling today? Battery, yeah, report as one word. Then again, remember, power cfg space battery report. So the space is between the power cfg and the slash. After there, everything else is one word. Just hit enter. What this does is, you can see it has generated a report for you that is saved in your Windows Drive, System32, and batteries report .html. So we need to get these, or we need to grab these so that you can be able to check that report. So simply need to go to open these there. So you can see the path of Windows System32. The easiest way is, let's grab this part. Let's grab this part at the top here. All these, edit and copy that. And then let's come here and paste the path. Paste and press enter. So what that does, it will ask you to open that report, and what do you want to use. So I use Google Chrome in this case, and here is our report. As you can see, the report is open here. So you can see the computer or the device details there. Then if you come down here now, you can see the installed battery. So we have one battery that is installed. The type is a Li-ion battery, and you can see that the design capacity is 59. 160 that. Then the full charge capacity is 60, and the cycle count. So I've done 34 installations, and down here now you can see the usage for your battery in the last. You can see the usage of how you've been using that laptop. So you can see from the last time you connected it to 100% up to the last time that you did all that. Okay, so there it is. So that's how you check that. Now, if you need to know, uh, the percentage of your battery once you charge it to 100%, there is something that you can do to check that. So simply what you do is, let me open a window here so that we do some calculations here so that you understand. Let me open this here. Just put this to the side here so that you see what I want to do. Okay. Big pen. So if you notice on these the installed laptop here, the installed batteries here, you can see that we have a few things. We have the design capacity. So I'll call that DC, the design capacity, which is 59, the 160. Uh, we have the full capacity, I'll call that, which is 60. 620. So these two values, or these two figures, will allow us to calculate the percentage when our battery is full, so that we know the health. So what we usually do is we take the full capacity, that is the FC, and divide this by the design capacity. So in our case here, the full capacity is the full capacity is 60, 620. So we take this and we divide this by 59, 160. So what do we get here? So let's do that very quickly. Calculator here. Uh, that is 60, 620 divided by 59, 160. What you are getting here is a 1.02 the 24 and whatever. So this is a figure that you get here. This figure that you get here. Now you take this figure and you multiply it by 100. 100. So this will be 0.2 times 100. So this is approximately 102. So basically, the health of this laptop of mine, the battery, is 100%. So when I charge it to full, I get 100%. So which means my health is quite well. Now, once you figure out those, let me put this into full. Once you figure out these calculations, now you are able to do a few things. Now, if you purchase the battery laptop and you find that it is between 90 to 100%, then this one is excellent. The battery performance is excellent. It will serve you without having issues. But if you get that it is between 70 to 80%, now this is what you usually say it is in good condition. Good condition. So this can serve you a year or a few months before it starts giving you problems. And if you find that you have a laptop, when you do your calculation and you find that this is below 60%, so below 60%, then just run away. This is something that you use for 2 weeks or 1 month, then you have to keep it plugged in so that you are able to connect, so that you're able to use that laptop. So it won't serve you. So when you're going to do your laptop purchase, always remember to check that uh, check that battery health with the formula that I've used you, or the command that I've shown you. That is the power cfg/battery report as one word. So that is it for today. Thank you guys, and don't be conned. Check the status of your battery before you pay.